y'all, JazzJanay here, and today we are in quarantine. Well, it's nighttime, and we're going to be trying out a new hairstyle. So this is an old wash and go. It's probably like 3 days old and stuff, and it is on its last leg. So I've been wanting to try mini twist. So my cousin, she sent me like this video of this girl doing mini twists, and she was just like, you know, you should really try these and stuff like that. So I'm going to give them a try. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we're gonna see. So products that I'm using, I'm going to give the main choice a shot. So for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the main choice 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, and it can double as a detangler. And as my twisting butter, well, twisting cream, I'm gonna use the pink lemonade and coconut gel curl boosting sherbet by the main choice. And for my gel, I'm going to use the main choice crystal orchid biotin infused styling gel. So it's all about main choice today. And for my oil, I'm going to be using the growth oil as well. Hold on. So yeah, this may take me like forever to finish, but you know, we're just gonna work on it. But this is the growth oil that I'm going to use, and this is just like a real cool protective style that I've been seeing a lot of the ladies wear. And since we are in quarantine and you know, we can't go nowhere, I'm gonna just try it out. I ain't got nowhere to go tomorrow. It's the weekend. I ain't gotta go to work. So we're just gonna try out a new style. These are the best times to try out new styles, so you can pop out when we able to get back outside. You can pop out looking like a whole totally different person, girl, with your new style that you tried during quarantine. But anyways, I'm also gonna use rubber bands because when I watch like other people's videos, some of them suggested the rubber bands and stuff like that, so I'm gonna just use that. So just to start, I'm gonna start off in the back. Just going to detangle this a little bit with a wide tooth comb and just start from the bottom. I'm not gonna do any type of special parting. I'm gonna just try to part it really neat because I'm really not that good at parting. And maybe when I get a hang of this style, I will try to part it correctly. Work with that small section and clip the rest of the hair away. So I think I'm gonna start off with pieces about that small. I'm gonna just wet it. Take my rubber band and secure it. I probably should have put my leave-in conditioner on my hair before all of this. I'm gonna just put the leave-in conditioner on this whole section first. That's what I'm gonna do. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and section off this back portion. So got those parts sectioned off. I have no idea what they're looking like. They're probably looking trash. Okay, it don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. So I'ma just put in the twisting cream. And go on top with the gel and start twisting. And I'm gonna try to repeat this whole process throughout my whole hair. So go with the cream, then go on top with the gel, and just start to twist. And make sure to try and coil your ends, because you don't want straight straggly ends. So make sure to try to coil your ends so they can be real cute and curly. So yeah, that's how they're looking right now, and we're just gonna continue to do this until I get tired. So yeah, I'll just fast forward through all this. So this is how my hair is looking right now. Trying to see if I like it or not, but this is just an hour of me doing this. I still have this much to go, so it really didn't take me long, and I did them really small. But
Three hours later.
okay, y'all, I'm getting like really tired. Like, okay. So this is how that turned out. I'm gonna probably redo the front in the morning because I really don't like how they turned out, but I really like how the back turned out and stuff. I may be getting a FaceTime call tonight, so I need to look a little cute.
Boy, if you don't get...
So I'ma just I think I am. Yeah, I think I am gonna redo the front. Hold on. So I'm just sitting outside enjoying nature right now. This is the result of my mini twist. I found the beauty supply store that was open. I know it's supposed to be staying inside, but I really needed to get some natural hair products to last me through the next couple of weeks. Hopefully all this will be over in at least a month or so. But yeah, but I also went and picked up some little jewels just to go in and spice it up a little bit, but they are like 100% dry now. I love how light and effortlessly it looks. Ma'am,